皆さんこんにちは、ビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm Vicky. Welcome to Happy Milai Learning Lab. Alright, today we are going to talk about nan or nani. Yeah, nan no matome. Today is the episode number 2. Okay, do you remember the previous? We have learned about what day? Remember? 何曜日。Yeah, 何曜日 okay? So 前回は何のまとめね、何曜日 what day を勉強しました。Okay, so let's quickly review 7 days of the week. いいですか? Can you see my board very well? Alright, so 曜日ね、day 曜日、何曜日何 means what? 何曜日 what day ね。何のまとめ So episode 1 kanji. This kanji can be pronounced as nan. Okay, 何曜日 what day? Yeah, let's review 7 days of the week. 月曜日 Monday 火曜日 Tuesday 水曜日木曜日金曜日土曜日日曜日 Yeah, 7 days of the week. So if you would like to talk about, for example, like what day is it today or tomorrow, so you can use the topic marker wa to bring out the topic. For example, today, 今日は何曜日ですか? Yeah, ですか ka is the question word. Yeah, question word. So over here, です is like is. Yeah, so what day is it today? Yeah, or if you want to talk about tomorrow, 明日は何曜日ですか? Yeah, for example, 今日は何曜日ですか? 今日は木曜日ですね。今日は木曜日です。Thursday ね。木曜日です。明日は何曜日ですか? 明日は金曜日ですね。Friday ね。いいですか? So 何のまとめ Episode 1ね。何。However, today we're going to talk about nani, okay? Because this kanji has so many readings. So today we are going to talk about nani. Okay, nani. いいですか? So today we're going to talk about want or want to. Yeah, so first I'm going to share the sentence pattern. For example, if you want to talk about, let's say this is number 1, this is number 2. Yeah, so for number 1, 何々が欲しいです. Okay, can you see the information? 何々が the particle got over here, it brings out the things we want or we like. Yeah, the things we like or we want. So over here, 欲しい. Yeah. In English, it's a verb. Yeah, but in Japanese, it's actually a i adjectives. Yeah, 欲しいです. Yeah, 欲しいです. Yeah. 何々が欲しいです. Yeah, 欲しい. So it expresses speakers, what speakers want. Yeah, for example, what do you want? Because today's topic is nani. Yeah, nani. Okay. 何が欲しいですか? For example. ね、何? Okay. 何が欲しいですか? 何が欲しいですか? If you want to turn the sentence to a question.Yeah, you add on the question word か. Yeah. 何が欲しいですか? What do you want? What do you want? Yeah, Christmas is coming. For example, if you want to ask your friends or ask your families, nowadays children got something specifically they want, right? So instead of just buy anything, yeah, sometimes you have to guess what they want to get, right? What they want us to prepare. Yeah, for example, Christmas. Yeah, if you want to bring out the topic, you can use the sentence pattern. For example, 何々は 何が欲しいですか? Yeah, so over here the topic, yeah, the topic marker what it brings out of the topic. For example, Christmas, yeah, or birthday. Birthday is 誕生日. Yeah, Christmas is Christmas. For example, Christmas は何が欲しいですか? 何が欲しいですか? What do you want for Christmas? Yeah, for example, 誕生日ね。お誕生日 yeah, or by adding on the お to 誕生日 it make it sounds more polite. Yeah, お誕生日は何が欲しいですか? お誕生日ね。For your birthday, what do you want? Yeah, so this is the sentence pattern regarding about want. Yeah, want. がね over here. 何が欲しいです. Yeah, okay. So the ga brings out the things, yeah, you want. All right, and then the topic marker what it brings out the topic we want to talk about. Yeah, for the occasion. Yeah, for birthday, for Christmas, or for presents. Yeah. Okay. All right, and then want to. Yeah, in English, as you can see over here, want to normally behind it will be a verb, right? That we want to do something. Yeah, do. So that means over here we need to add on all type of verbs, right? So number 2 over here. Yeah, let me erase this because otherwise it's going to go quite low. Yeah. Okay. All right, so now we go number 2, yeah, want to do something. 何々を so here it brings out another 何々を V たいです okay, V is verb. Right, here is there's something I would like you to take note. たい何々 V たいです this V たいです yeah, we don't need to over here, yeah, you see this is the affirmative form. We don't need to talk about, we don't need to indicate the subject. It's already, it means like, for example, if I'm talking about that means I, because it express speaker's wish, verb. Yeah, so the o, it brings out the object. Yeah, so this is the object marker, remember? All right, so verb. So how many verbs have you learned? For example, let's learn those normal ones. For example, eat, drink, yeah, what else? Buy. Okay, do you remember the question word? か yeah, question word. か if you want to take the sentence to a question. For example, today's topic is 何 not sure if you could say my 何 yeah, so let's change this one to 何 ね 何 okay, so over here let's say if you would like to ask the basic question 何を eat, do you remember eat? 食べる eat 食べるね食べる drink 飲むね飲む buy 買ういいですか okay, so over here for example let's use our main topic 何 what over here 何 what yeah what over here because we are going to talk about using what to create few sentences. So here we will need 何 yeah 何を for example eat. What do you want? Remember want to, yeah, want to. What do you want to eat? For example 何を食べたいですか? Here is another tricky part. You need to actually know how to change a verb, yeah, transform it to how to add on the たい Okay, if you have already learned the mas, nani nani, the V mas, okay, the V mas and V tai, they share the same pattern. All right. So for tabelu is a special word. You just throw away the lu plus tai, yeah, plus tai. Okay. Let's just write down a full sentence for your reference. Yeah. Can you see? Yeah. Nani o, yeah. Nani o tabetai desu ka? Can you see? Yeah, so I mark down our question marker here and then our object marker, yeah. Okay, tabetai, want to eat, ne? Ne? Want to eat. いいですか? So, 何を食べたいですか? What do you want to eat? Yeah? What do you want to eat? Remember the verbs is always behind in the Japanese sentence pattern, eh? Okay. Alright, so how about drink? Nomu. Nomu. Do you remember the mas form? Nomimasu. Nomimasu. So, if we want to change to the type, yeah, so 何を飲みたいですか? Yeah, 何を飲みたいですか? Yeah, what do you want to drink? Okay, what do you want to drink? ですか? And for example, buy, what do you want to buy? Buy, 買う change to type, 買いたい. Yeah, behind because it's the same, yeah, so I just, yeah, no need to write, okay? 何を買いたいですか? 何を買いたいですか? What do you want to buy? Yeah, いいですか? Okay, do you have any questions? Yeah, if you have any concerns or any questions, please remember to leave me a comment. Okay, alright, so today's summary, 何のね、何のまとめいいですか? Okay, so I'm just going to erase this and give you a very quick summary of the sentence pattern again. So use 何. Okay, so number one, ね、何か欲しい、何か欲しいですか? 何が欲しいですか? ね? What do you want? Okay? ね? What do you want? Okay, number two, let's use buy. ね? Buy. 何を買いたいですか? ね、何を買いたいですか? ね、the object marker. ね、何を買いたいですか? What do you want to buy? Okay, want to, ね、want to do. Remember, English want to do. It has to be a verb. So, over here we use V type. ね、買う、買いたい. Okay? Want to do. Want something, right? Want something. So, 何 like something. ね? Okay? いいですか? Alright, so I hope today's sharing is useful to you. I'm still in the middle of, learning how to teach with a whiteboard like this. Yeah, so I will try to be more organized next time. Yeah, so if you have any suggestion or if you have anything you want me to share, please leave me a comment. Okay, またね. Have a good day. Bye bye.